Hi everybody, Asang Filipinas. So today's video, I have this new two rings today. So I hope you like it. I'm gonna try this on, and today I'm wearing this. So I have this one first. I'm gonna show you. So this is the two rings that I have, and tomorrow I think I'm going to salon tomorrow, pampering myself again. So this is my mules today. I'm gonna walk first. I'm gonna walk with these mules. So it's been a while that I didn't wear. So today I'm gonna show you the two rings that I have. So the camera is quite dark, but then I have this one. It's very nice. I'm gonna show you the two rings that I have. It's new one, and also I have this beautiful one. So I'm gonna try it. So I still did not change my nail polish today. So tomorrow I'm going to salon for my nails. So I'm gonna try on this two rings in my tools, of course. So this is how it looks like. I still have my purple nail polish today, and then I also have my gloss today. So this one I'm gonna try to do the other nails. So how do you like it? I hope you like it. So that's my two rings today. It's big time here, so I'm just gonna make some short video. I'm just making this short video so I can show you guys. And yeah, that's all for today, and see you next vlog. Love you everyone, and more videos to come in my channel this year.